Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Well, I'd like to thank you for inviting me to join you this evening as you break your fast. It's a real privilege to be here. It's a privilege to be the Member of Parliament for Glasgow East, which is a diverse seat, and one of the things that makes it a real privilege is that we do have a large Muslim population with many vibrant mosques across the seat, from the south side of Dixon Avenue all the way across here. And it's always very special for me to come and visit you as you pray. I've been very lucky to have gone to many mosques all over the world, in Pakistan, in Lebanon, in Singapore. But the ones that are most precious to me are here in Glasgow. And joining you is a special pleasure and a special privilege. And what we see here tonight are people united in their faith, in their desire to do good for each and every one of you here, but for the community as well. But we also see something profoundly beautiful here, which is the mosques provide a place for brotherhood for people who have come from all over the world to Glasgow. And that's something to be treasured. People are long-standing Scottish people like Brother Razak and myself, but also people who've come to study and come to work more recently. And that's something very, very precious to me. Now, I want to say one thing that's difficult tonight, which is when I go and visit my Muslim brothers and sisters now, there's a lot of fear in the community about anti-Muslim sentiment, about attacks on mosques, vandalism on mosques, and people feel less safe. I want to assure you, as my MP, as your MP, that this is something that I speak regularly to people in government about and urge action. I meet the police, I meet the government here in Scotland and the government in London, because we cannot accept this, because you are as much a part of Glasgow as I am. You are treasured and precious part of Glasgow, and in a treasured and a precious part of the Glasgow that I love. And you should never feel anything other than a full part of this city. This is my home, this is your home, and it's a home for you, your children, and it's a home for your families, and it must remain so. And so, if you have any problems like that, or if you have any other problems, you are always welcome to come and see me. But I think I'll finish by celebrating the immense contribution that Glasgow's Muslims have made to Glasgow over decades and decades and decades. It's something very special in hospitals, in schools, in politics, in private sector, creating lots of jobs. We see that you have made a huge contribution to our city. So you are something that is central to our city's past, and you are something but essential, a huge part of our city's future. So thank you so much for having me here tonight. It is a privilege, and I'm honoured and very blessed to be here. So thank you very much. Shukran.